What's one of the biggest things that you see that people have a misconception about with Social Security?
Well, the biggest misconception's easy. It's retire, then claim. It's that Social Security is tied to work. And in some ways it is, but realistically, when someone retires, there's no requirement that they take Social Security. They could use a variety of other assets in order to delay their Social Security if that was the best decision for them. The fact is, I think people take it as a given. As soon as I stop work or as soon as I become eligible, I'm going to go ahead and claim.
So there's no Social Security truancy officer to come collect you and take you down to the Social Security office and say, hey, you didn't claim.
Not in the least. In fact, the penalty probably goes the other way.
Yeah, well, it's interesting. Yeah, there are penalties for taking early. And a penalty maybe is one way to put it. You know, you take it early, you're going to be drawing it over a longer period. You're getting it sooner, so then you get less.
Roughly, yeah.
Okay.
When you think about it in terms of a monthly benefit, Social Security is actuarially equivalent. So if everybody lived exactly to average life expectancy and died right on time, whether you claim early or you claim late would be completely irrelevant.
The feds wouldn't care.
They don't care.
Okay.
At the same time, we don't live in that world. You might live to be 100, I might die at 75. And so that is not a fact. And claiming early for someone who is has a high likelihood of living a very long time represents a penalty, where claiming late for that same person represents a bonus.